How to fix device type unknown on Instagram. So to fix this issue, first of all, simply open the settings app on your iPhone. Once inside the settings app, tap on the general option available there. Once inside the general, scroll down and tap on the iPhone storage option available there. Inside iPhone storage, again scroll down and look for the Instagram app from the list available there. Once you tap on the Instagram, all you have to do is tap on the upload app option available there and upload the app. Offloading an app removes the app itself but keeps its data like your login, drafts, settings safe. When you reinstall it, everything is still there. Offloading can clear corrupted cache or background errors causing the device type unknown issues, especially if it happened after an iOS update or Instagram bug. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.